Today I'm going to show you how to practice the memorization of the 9's facts. So let's start with 9 taken one time. And how much do we have? Yep, we have 9. So we'll show our answer or the product with the 9's bead going vertically. And let's record that. 9 times 1 equals 9. Okay, what would be next? 9 taken 2 times. And how much do we have? 18. So we're going to show one of our 10 bars and an 8 to show the product. Let's record that. 9 times 2 equals 18. Okay, we'll put these back. All right, what would be next? 9 taken 3 times. There's 1, 2, 3. Okay, and what do you get? How much do we have? 27. Okay, so 2 10s. And our 7. And let's record that. 9 times 3 equals 27. Okay, so you will continue. You'll do the next one, 9 times 4, 9 times 5, and keep going until you get to 9 times 10. And that's how you can practice the memorization of your 9's facts.